Hi, everybody. This is our virtual open house screencast, just in case you were unable to make it. I am Mr. DeTavio. This is basically how all of our class periods are ran. So, in the Google Classroom that your child is registered into, you'll be able to find this Google form, a link to the screencast, and obviously this presentation. And so, normally, your student will have the form open, and they'll have bell work like this, and it's virtual. So then they put the definition in, not physically existing, but made by software to appear so, like right now. So the what, how, why is really important for all of our lessons. So what, virtual open house, how we're going to do it, our agenda, 10-80-10, grading assignments, 5 cells, some contact stuff, other things, and then the why. So you guys know what's going on, right? So we usually start off with a video clip or a music video, and you can see the little Meet the Teacher video there if you want to. So then we usually go into the 10-80-10. So 10% are lost, 80% are found, 10% are elite. Has my purpose on there this time, and it has this time. Sometimes it correlates to what we're doing. And then my mission. Core values are always there: relationships, commitment, discipline. And so just a little bit about me you can read through, but one of your answers, so you see how it's bolded, underlined, in a larger font, that's always where the answers are. So my why is to believe in others, they can believe in themselves, and there's the core values again. This is our wall of culture. And so whenever one's in a title, it has a little star thing next to it, so that stands out a little bit better. These signs correlate to our lessons. All materials can be found in Google Classroom. This is how we break the grade down. You can see the 5 selves stuff, and the answer is the 5 selves for your next answer. You can see the star since it's up in the title, and this kind of how this works. And the different ways we do it: esteem, concept, efficacy, awareness, and the end is self-actualization. Another answer, right? Bolded, underlined, star. For the 8th grade newspaper class, but for everybody to see, we do cat scratch chronicle, scratch right there, boom, answer. Also, this little self-actualization plan for the career class. For digital lit class, we go into edutyping. All classes wind up using EverFi, digital literacy, keyboard and designation, while personal career exploration does mental wellness. And here we are, right? So you can always go on talking points, true or false, true, and be able to figure that out. So you can see on your form exactly how this works. Pretty easy class, fill in the blanks, bolded, underline stuff. And then you just hit submit on the form and it comes through. So I hope you guys have a great day and you enjoy this. I will be here, obviously. I'm just putting this up in case you can't make it.